Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm doing a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. It is using the new Anastasia Amrezy eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. As soon as it launched, I bought it. So that's what we are focusing on today. Also, I have a special announcement, which you may already know if you follow me on Instagram because I posted it like a week ago. And technically I did post on YouTube already. It was in my community forum and I posted a picture with the announcement. But not a lot of people see those posts, I think. I'm not really sure how they work. I need to get better at it. But anyways, enough of the anticipation. But I am pregnant. I'm expecting a little baby in July. Very excited. July 2nd is the due date. I am 17 weeks as of a couple days ago. We get to find out the gender next month, so I'll share that with you guys too. Leave your guesses below if you think it's a boy or a girl. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's a new chapter in my life. My content's gonna basically stay the same. I'm gonna share more baby things on Instagram probably not much, but yeah. I wanted to let you guys know that. Before we hop on into the video, please remember to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my face makeup on for two reasons. One, because I was already wearing it all morning and I just didn't feel like taking it off, and two, I really want to focus on the palette anyways because it is new. It's my first time using it and I really want to focus on the eyes for today. So my face makeup is on. I always post my makeup looks when I do them on YouTube, on Instagram as well, which lists all the products. So head on over to my Instagram if you want to know everything I'm wearing on my face. And now, I'm so excited. This is the most beautiful palette I have ever bought because it's pink and it's glittery. So even if I didn't like the colors that were inside, I still would have bought it for the packaging. This is what the palette looks like. It's super glittery. It's honestly amazing. And then here is the inside. So lots of pinks over here, deeper warm tones over here. You have your matte shades, pop of blue for fun. I think I'm going to focus on playing with the pinks today since we're doing a little Valentine's look. So I think I'm first going to go into the shade OG right here because it seems like the most neutral brown in the palette, and I'm going to use that for my transition shade. And I might as well use the brush that comes with the palette because it's nice and clean. I have a little bit of eyeshadow on from today, but very minimal, so I feel like it won't really get in the way. These eyeshadows are amazing and I'm gonna love them because I love Anastasia's eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes. I want to do a smoked out wing thing, so I'm gonna use Scotch tape the cheating way. This gives a nice clean line, which is what I want. Tack was invented for a reason. I'm gonna take this shade right here because I already know I don't know how to pronounce that and I'm gonna sound ridiculous if I try. So just with the other side of the brush that it comes with, I'm gonna start creating this thick smoked out liner. Then I'm gonna work the rest of my eyeshadows on top of it. I've really been noticing this smoked liner look is super in right now. I know it's obviously been around for a while, but everybody seems to be doing it and I want to hop on trend. So if you haven't noticed, my hair is much lighter than last time I saw you guys. I did share it on Instagram already, but if you don't follow me, we are in the process of making my hair blonde. Not fully blonde, it's gonna be kind of ombre. So my roots are gonna stay the same color, just so it's not a lot of upkeep after, but basically the rest of my hair is gonna be nice and blonde and kind of like a platinum blonde, not a warm blonde, more of a cool toned. So I'm so excited. March is my next appointment and that will be the third time we're going in. So I think that'll be the last appointment to where I want to get my hair, if that makes any sense. Maybe one more time or just some light upkeep after that, but I'm so excited for March to come. Now I'm going to take the black in the palette called BK. Always nice when there's a black in the palette. And I'm just gonna add a little bit right here at the end, kind of base of the wing, just to give it a little bit more contrast with the colors. I'm not gonna add too much black. Okay, now I'm just going to bring more of the purple shade up onto my lid, going up to the crease there. Okay, so I just built the shade up and now I'm going to take off the tape. Now I'm going to take the shade Cupcake, which is this purple shimmery shade. It looks so pretty. And wow, it's really buttery. With my ring finger, I'm just going to apply it to the center of my eyelids. To make it even more pigmented and stand out, I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. I just got this in the mail. It is the Fixie Glow Mist. I'm going to be just a little bit more precise and get it right to the outer corner of my eye, just above where I put the black. Obsessing over this palette. For the inner part of my lid now, I'm going to take the shade Barb, which is a sparkly light pink. I sprayed my brush again. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Just adding it to the inner part of my lid and then just overlapping the tiniest bit with the other shade just so they blend together. This is the highlighter I'm wearing right now. It is the Cookie Highlighter from Benefit. So I'm going to add this to my inner corners. I already have some on from earlier, but I want it to be a bit more vibrant. I'll also add some more to my brow bone. I'm going to add the two matte shades on my lower lash line. Tie everything together. Okay, so I'm so excited. This is the first time I'll be using Tati lashes. They sent over a bunch of lashes, which I'm so thankful for because they're beautiful. So I'm going to use this pair. This is TL9. So I'm going to pop these on really quick. I'm going to take Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. This will probably work. I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy. My lips a little bit of color. The shade is very pale. Now I want to try out this hairstyle. I saw it on TikTok, of all places. But I think it's Hair by Chrissy. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. But it was this cute little side pony, and I thought it was very Valentine's Day appropriate. So I'm going to try it out. So she left front pieces out and took it to the side. And I don't have the little plastic elastic, so mine's not gonna look as chic, but I'll do what I can. So you first put it into a side pony and then go down a little bit and put another elastic a little bit below where your other elastic is. Then you just separate this middle part and take the rest of your pony at the end and pull it through the hole you made. Like that. And then she kind of scrunches it up. Oh my gosh, how I ever wish I had the clear elastics because these black ones look horrible. I can probably do one more, but I don't have extensions or anything, so I can probably only do two of these little thingies. Okay, so I did the other little loop, but that's the hair done. This is the makeup, so that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe or leave like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!